Ever wondered what separates a cybersecurity engineer from a cybersecurity analyst? In our fast-paced digital age, understanding these vital roles is more crucial than ever. This video will illuminate the key differences and assist in choosing the right career path for you. Stay tuned as we decode the mysteries of these cybersecurity professions. First up, let's dive into the world of a cybersecurity engineer. At the core of their responsibilities, these engineers design secure networks that form the backbone of organizational security. They don't just stop there, they also develop robust security protocols to shield digital environments from threats. Through their expertise, cybersecurity engineers implement cutting-edge security solutions, ensuring that every layer of the network is impenetrable. By continuously updating and maintaining these defenses, they play a crucial role in safeguarding sensitive information and systems. So they build and fortify the fortresses that protect digital assets. Now, let's explore what a cybersecurity analyst does. Primarily, these professionals are tasked with the critical role of monitoring security systems to detect any suspicious activity. They meticulously analyze potential threats and vulnerabilities, ensuring that any security breach is swiftly and effectively responded to. Their day-to-day responsibilities also involve the ongoing assessment and management of security risks, constantly updating and refining security protocols to thwart potential cyber attacks. In essence, they are the vigilant sentinels who keep an eye on potential threats. Wondering which path is right for you? Let's delve into what might make one of these cyber roles your perfect match. Cybersecurity engineers often need a robust technical foundation, including expertise in system architecture and network security. Certifications like Certified Information Systems Security Professional or Certified Ethical Hacker can be stepping stones in this career. On the other side, cybersecurity analysts thrive on strong analytical skills with a knack for identifying and mitigating risks. They frequently use data analysis tools and should consider certifications such as Certified Information Security Manager or CompTIA Security Plus. Your personal interests and innate skills play a crucial role. Do you revel in building and protecting systems, or does decoding potential threats and strategizing against cyber risks captivate you? Consider your strengths and career ambitions to choose the path that aligns with your professional goals. Armed with this knowledge, are you closer to choosing your cybersecurity career? If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to the Hack the Hacker YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Join our Telegram channel for any queries.